Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Mastodon account on your Mastodon application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open Mastodon application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage of Mastodon, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile page, tap the gear button at the top right hand corner, and from this page, scroll all the way down and tap on account settings. Tap on continue and you'll be taken to this account settings page. Scroll all the way down until you see this delete account option. Tap on proceed here option in order to proceed and delete your account. Before deleting your account, remember that you won't be able to restore or reactivate your account once it is deleted. Your username will remain unavailable. Your post and all the data will be permanently removed as well. The content that has been cached by other servers may somehow persist. Enter your current password for your Mastodon account in order to verify your identity in the password text field. After you are done filling in your password, tap on delete account and you'll be able to delete your Mastodon account right away using your Mastodon application. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.